Hi everybody, Mrs. Wild here. You're doing so well, guys. You're on the 4th maths lesson of the week and I am super proud of you. So today we are continuing looking at finding the difference, but we're going to look at the number line and then we're going to look at subtraction and we're going to see which is the easiest one to use. And yeah, we're just keeping going. So before we do anything, I want you to get yourself a piece of paper. Write the numbers 1 to 10 down the side, please, because first thing we're going to do is, let's see if it's going to work. Oh, where is it? Is your daily 10 math challenge. Okay, you ready? We're ready. I hope this is all you can see it. I'm going to give you 7 seconds per question. Off you go. 5 times 8. Number 1 is 5 times 8. Number 2, 6 times 3. 6 times 3. Number 3, 6 times 4. 6 times 4. Number 4, 4 times 4. 4 times 4. Number 5, 11 times 6. 11 times 6. Number 6, 4 times 5. 4 times 5. Number 7, 4 times 10. 4 times 10. Number 8, 2 times 12. 2 times 12. And number 9, 7 times 8. 7 times 8. And number 10, 5 times 9. 5 times 9. Ready for your answers? Number 1, 40. Number 2, 18. Number 3, 24. Number 4, 16. Number 5, 66. Number 6, 20. Number 7, 40. Number 8, 24. Number 9, 56. And number 10, 45. Give yourself a mark out of 10. Well done, guys. I'm going to change my screen now. So it is new share. Here we go. So you've just done your daily 10. So you don't need to be doing that again. So today we are finding the difference. Start again, Mrs. Wild. Today we are finding the difference using subtraction. So here we go. Let me get up onto my board. What is the difference between 7 and 95? Now, we can't do this. It's pointless doing. So we still need to do 7 at the beginning. But we're not doing this using ones. We're in year 4, guys. We're not counting individual jumps of ones between 7 and 95. There's too many. So we're going to use jumps of 10 first to make it think. So I'm going to go 10. So it'll be 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87. I'm going to 87 there. So I know these are 10s. That's it, 10s. Got to 87. But if I'd have gone another 10, it'd have been 97, and that's too far for 95. So I've got 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay? So then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Add 8, 80, 8. I could have also done, guys, on a number line, 7. I could have gone from 7, jumped 80 to 87, and then gone 87, add 3, gets me to 90, add 5, gets me to 95. So I could have done it that way as well. And then I know that they have 8 altogether, added those together, and it would have given me 88. Okay, so there's different ways of doing this, but we could also use subtraction. So first, what is the difference between 7 and 9? Okay, so let's have a look. We've got 9 We don't even need to do it like this. You should just know 9 take away 7, but 9 take away 7 is 2. Look, the difference between 7 and 9 is 2. I could have done it like this, and I could have done 7, 8, 9, and done 1, 2, and known that it's 2, but I could have just done 7 at 9 take away 7. It gave me the same answer. Let's look at another one. Oh, that's just what I've shown you. You've got 7, 8, 9, and I've got 1 and 1. I've got the answer 2. So again, it shows me, all right? 9 shows me the answer. So let's look at this one. What's the difference between 7 and 95? So 95 take away 7. Let's see if it gives us the same answer as the number line. So 95 and 7. So we have got 95 take away 7. Okay, well, this is nice and easy. Look, 5 take away 7 can't do. Following on from our learning from last week. So I've got 8 tens now and 15 ones. 15 take away 7 is 8. And then I've got 8 tens. Oh, look, 88. It was the same. I think my slides have shuffled themselves around. Look, it was the same as that one. Sorry, guys. That one. There. No. There. My slides have all muddled up. So look, 7 and 95. The difference there on a number line was 88. And the difference there, using subtraction, was 88. So the difference is 88. There's 88 between those two numbers. Let's try this one. 85 and 3. I'll show you them both now. This might be a bit more simpler. Sorry, guys. Start with my smallest number on the left, 3. And I'm wanting to get to 85. Well, I know I could do, I'm going to show you both ways, but I could go add 10 is 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, and then 84, 85. So they'd be my ones, and these are tens, 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 tens. And I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And here I've got 2. 80 and 2 is 82. So we think it's 82. That's one way of showing it. But then we can do it this way. 85 take away 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. 8 take away nothing is 8. My answer is 82. So these are 2 ways of showing it, guys. This shows you the numbers all in between them, and then you've got the subtraction as well. Finding the difference, you can use a subtraction. Let's try this one. We've got 156 and 32, so I'm going to put 32 at this end. And I want to get to 156, so let's have a look. Well, I could add 100, couldn't I? If I added 100, I could get to 132. I'm getting to 156, so I still need to keep going. And then I could add a 10, 142, and another 10, 152. And then I need to add on 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So there would be 156. And these are my ones. So now let's add them together. We've got 100, add 2 tens, 20, add 4 ones is 124. So the difference between 156 and 132 is 124. Let's try it with the subtraction. Check now. 156 take away 32. 6 take away 2 is 4. 5 tens take away 3 tens is 2 tens. 100 take away no hundreds is 100. Look at that. Gives you the same answer. We can use subtraction to find the difference. Okay, date and title in your maths book. I want you to do that now. Pause the video, have a date and title in, and get the subtitle model. And I'll be back showing you my book on the screen. I'll pause it there. Okay, welcome back. You can see my book. Just move things out of the way. There we go. You've got model. So we are going to find the difference between 21 and 132. So we're going to write the difference between 132 and 21 is. Okay? So what I'm going to do first, and then I'm going to get my ruler. I'm going to do a nice big long line across my page. It doesn't matter how many boxes are, but it does need to be quite large because there's quite a lot of things to fit in it. Okay. I'm going to put my smallest number on the left. So I've got 21 and I'm going to get to 132. So the first thing I'm going to do is a nice big jump of 100. This is my big jump of 100. Big 100 jump. That's getting me to 121. Okay. Then I'm going to do a jump of 10. Which is going to get to me to 131. And then I'm going to do a little jump of 1. It's going to get me to 132. And I need to add up all of these. So I've got 100, add 10, add 11, which is 111. Okay. So I've got that way of doing it, but then I could also do it this way. H-T-O. Ready? 132. Take away 21. 2 take away 1 is 1. 3 tens take away 2 tens is 110. 100 take away no hundreds is 100. It gives me the answer 111. So do that with me now. And then write IT, because then you're going to do this independently. And you can pause the video, guys, if you need to. But I'm now going to share my screen back on my PowerPoint, on my presentation. And here you go. So you now need to pause the video and you are going to solve these, and then I'm going to give you the answers when I have done them myself. So pause the video now. Perfect. Pause it. That's it. And I will see you for the answers shortly. Okay, guys, so you should have paused the video and you should now have completed it. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to show you my answers. So here's the answers to 1 and 2. You need to look really carefully, please, guys. So the difference between 138 and 8 is 130. But you should have shown it on your number line and you should have shown it using your subtraction. And you can see it gives you the same answer. Then we've got the second one here. Show it on your number line. 222 and 116, the difference is 106. Show it with your subtraction. Pause the video if you need to keep pausing, guys, if you need to keep marking it. Look at the next one. So the difference here between 145 and 72 is 73. Here it is on my number line. Here it is using subtraction. And then the last one. The difference between 44 and 286, got 44. Then we got all our way to 286. I never actually put my end answer in, did I? I just was counting. Well, there we go. Look, even Mrs. Ward has to add things in. And then we could see the difference there is 242. And there's my subtraction to show as well. Okay, I hope you've managed that lesson. Feel free to pause it and restart it whenever you need to. But you've done a great job, guys. And I'll see you later. Well done.